Meaning of dead heat.
Dead heat.
Dead heat.
Dead heat.
Dead heat. Dead heat is a term used to describe a situation in a competition where two or more competitors finish at exactly the same time, resulting in a tie. In such cases, no clear winner can be determined, and the top positions are shared equally among the tied contestants. This scenario is common in races, especially horse racing, but can also occur in other events like swimming, track and field, and even elections. Dead heats are usually rare and often require a photo finish or other technology to accurately determine the exact time of finish.